Mengameli waphambilini weANC Thabo Mbeki bengahambisani nemikhankaso walelicembu lelaba nawo nakuyiwa kunkhomfa yanga 2012 eMangaung. Ngalomkhankaso bekuhloswe ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi lelicembu libe selinemalunga lasigidzi. Akhuluma nelikomiti lesikhashana lebuholi beANC eFree State Mbeki uthi lelicembu lidzinga ukuthi selibukisise bulunga balo kutfola kabanti ngalabantu labathi bamalunga alo. Umholi walobuholi besikhashana kulesifundza Mcoli Sidukwana uvumelana Mbeki wathi kunabongoma uyayona labaningi kulelicembu.
All members of the ANC, we have attracted too many members in the ANC, and many of them are not necessarily ANC members, and we need actually to rid the organization of these rogue elements who are only here to enrich themselves and who are selfishly pursuing their interest, and this has actually given the ANC a bad name.
Tukwana njengekusho kwaMbeki uthi ANC bengakakulungele kungenela umkhankaso wokuba nemalunga lasigidzi. Kungunya leANC bukwenene kulwa kwangekhathi ludlame nekushona kwabantu emihlanganweni yemagala.
I think what was wrong was actually to look into the quantity, the 1 million target, and without also understanding what that 1 million will do, without preparing ourselves properly to ensure that whoever comes in is actually reflects or it becomes the embodiment of the values of the organization.
Ikho sathi ANC nebaholi abangavana labangakhona kubeketelelana lekuyinto lecela phansi loluhlelo lokuvusela kabusha leNhlangano.
We have a mixture of leadership. We have some who are inherently factionalist, and we have some who are working towards building unity of the movement.
ANC tama kuvuka ititsinzite kepha ibukene nebumatima kulabo labonakala bagcwele inkhohlalo labasebenzisa lelicembu kufeza inhloso tabo.